Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Naki. Today's video, I'm going to show you the last way of installing software packages onto your Linux distribution. That's the Git, G-I-T, Git. So as we see in the previous two videos using the apt and the synaptics package manager, we found out that some of the software packages that we search for aren't in the repository. It wasn't available in the repository. So if you try to search for a software package and the package is not available in the repository, for example, let's try snot and see. It says unable to locate package snot. It means this package or this software is not available in our repository. So to get this software package, we need to find a way of installing this software, which brings us to a website called github.com. This is a site that allows developers to share their software with others to download, use, and provide feedback. So, for instance, this not software that we want to install that's not able to find it in the repository, we can go to github.com and search for snot. We will get the link that we can use to install it using the Git. So to install a software with the Git, we use git clone, then the link or the URL of the software that we want to install. So let's try if you find blue diving here. No, this one too is not available. Okay, so we can go to github.com and find this software. So let's open our browser. This is normally the easy way of installing software if you don't know how to do. So you can go to github.com. Let's search for blue diving. Okay, so there is it. We have a Bluetooth penetration testing tool suite. So let's click on it. Okay, so down there we have some readme here. Before we can install blue diving, it says you need to install blues lips and util slime, and these are some dependencies that's supposed to be installed before blue dive can work. One the git clone file. Okay, so let me we can manually type it when you know what it is. Okay, so let's run this and see. Say it's cloning blue diving, it's reading. What this does is that it copy all the data and files from the location, from the GitHub location onto our system. So let's wait for, okay, so it has already finished. To see it has been successfully downloaded, we can run ls-all to see if it's available. Yeah, there's it. This is the file. Blue dive. This is the file that we downloaded right now. So we can use the git clone then the URL of the package from GitHub to clone that software onto our machine. So let's switch to Blue Diving and see. We are not going to use it, but we just want to see if it has been installed. Yeah, it's working. Blue Diving is working right now. So this is how we can use the Git clone to install software packages. Let's try if you can use GitHub for another package. Let's say you want to install Snot GitHub. You can go to GitHub website and search it, or you can search it straight from your browser. One thing you have to notice that, or you have to always keep in mind that as a hacker or as an IT personnel, you have to know how you can search for things which will make of which you get the result that you want. Not every command or every tool that you remember, but when you are able to search, or when you know what you are doing, you can do anything using the internet. So let's try this one. Is not 3. Let's try the first link and see if you get the git clone. Git clone. Yeah. So as we can see, we have git clone, then the URL of the slot in GitHub. So you can just copy this. Very easy. Copy this, then paste it in the terminal. So you can just paste. Okay. This is the most easy way of installing software onto your machine. Just go to GitHub, you find the software that you want. You use the git clone command, then you install it straight away. So enter. So let's wait for a while this is installing. Anytime you clone a software onto your system, there will be a directory with that name. So with the Blue Diving, we saw a directory on our machine called Blue Diving. So after this has finished installing, we have to see the same results. We have to get a directory which bears the name Snot3. So combining the 3 videos that we have watched, the first one talking about apt, the second one talking about the synaptics, that's the GUI interface manager, and the last, which is the one that you are watching right now. They all show us how or ways we can download and install new softwares on your Kali Linus machine. So we use the software package manager, that's apt. We have others too. Then we use the GUI based installers. Then the last one that we are using, the git clone, which is the most common. So I find it very easy using the git clone way. So you can also choose whether you like the apt or the synaptics graphical user interface. As a beginner, I would recommend using the git clone, especially when you can't find the software that you want in your repository. When you try using apt-get install and it's not working, or it wasn't able to fetch for the software package, you can use git clone to perform this. So the Snot3 has finished installing. So let's see if we'll find it in our directories. So yeah, we are now standing at the home directory of the username apt-get. Okay, so let's do ls dash or okay, there's so many directories here. Okay, yeah, you've seen it. We have snot tray available here. If you want to find that one, only that one too, you can use ls dash or then we grep snot. Yeah, this is it. This is our software. So it's already here. So this is how you can add software to our Linus distribution. Thanks for watching. I hope with all the 3 videos you find the one that suits you or that will be easy for you. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.